guys, it's Louise. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be painting an aesthetic painting. So I'm going to be using this mixed media paper in this sketchbook, some masking tape to tape off the edges of the landscape slash subject. I'm going to be using these 4 paint brushes, a paint palette, some paper towels, and some acrylic paint. This one is Artist's Loft from Michaels, as well as Apple Barrel paint from Walmart. And you also need a small ruler to mark off straight edges and things, and a pencil to obviously draw where you want your stuff to be. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna be sketching out where I want the things to be, and I'm going to just open up this masking tape and tape off the edges. So in the middle, where I'm going to be taping off, is where the sunset sky is going to be with the flower, and the smaller box at the bottom is for the palette colors, I guess. I'm just going to start off with this pastel purple, and I'm going to blend it into a pastel blue. Now that the background colors are done, I'm going to be painting in some clouds. I'm using a nice light pastel purple. At the bottom, there's more white in the paint than the purple. And then for the blue, I'm going to be adding some white and then a bit of blue into the mix of the paint to make it super light, but it's not purely white paint for the cloud base. And I'm also going to add some highlights and some shadows. So yeah. I'm going to be starting the flower, so I'm starting off with the stem, so I have a sort of reference point where I'm going to put the flower. Now I'm going to start painting the center. I think the petals will end up covering the center, so I might have to paint it again later, but it's totally worth it. By the way, I'm not the best at painting, so if the shading and blending look a little off, that's why. So enjoy. So I'm going to remove the tape, and after that I just have to add some finishing touches and the painting will be done. The final touches include adding a purple box that appears behind the picture, as well as a dark blue outline box, I guess. I'm not really sure how to describe it, but you guys will see what I mean. So that is it for this video. If you guys do enjoy it, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and leave any comments or suggestions for future videos in the comment section down below. If you haven't already subscribed and you like this kind of content or maybe bullet journal content, make sure to subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to be kind and be kawaii. Bye!